Hello, my besties. And the more that I turn it off.
Wait. Stop. You're supposed to. Stop.
Take 3. Okay, my besties.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, let's just do this.
Can we just do your shorts?
Huh? Let's do this.
Cut that out.
Hello, my besties and Amaras. Welcome back to another episode. We are going to do a review. So we have what we have here. We have this. What is this, Brady?
iPhone 14.
Okay, this is the iPhone 14. This one. What is this one? Oh my god.
Why would you do that?
Okay, my besties, I'm sorry. So this is iPhone 14 Pro. Sorry. I dropped it. And this one, baliktad. This one is the iPhone 14
You might
Pro
drop it.
Max.
You
So
might drop
this
it.
is, get the other one, Brady.
You might drop it.
Let's show them how, what the sizes. Okay, okay. That's these are the sizes. Right
Just like
there.
this one.
The same.
Look at this.
So the iPhone 14 Pro and
The regular one.
the regular one, iPhone 14, they're just,
Okay.
they have the same
Can we
size.
start with this one?
Okay. But before we open these ones, okay, Brady will open that. What is it? I can't see.
Charger.
The charger. Yeah, they gave us a free charger. Thanks to AT&T. Oh my goodness. Okay. There you go. Open it, Brady. There you
Wait.
go. You show them?
I
Right
will.
here. Okay, Brady's opening that.
Wait.
There you go. There you go. So this is the charger.
For free.
Alright, it's for free. They gave this for free. Nice. It's a flying saucer.
Beautiful.
There you go. Alright, Brady, do it. Thanks to
plug it in?
AT&T. Yeah, it's okay. You can put it. You can.
Later.
Okay, later. Okay. And then this
I'll
one's.
do that.
This is the for the Pro. Okay.
You're gonna drop it.
No, I will not drop it. No more. Okay, open your case, Brady. Okay.
Mine?
Let's open this one. Brady will open the iPhone 14 case. It's so hard to open these ones, Brady. Oh no, hold on, let me see. Oh, okay. This is easy.
Look, it's already out.
Easy. Oh, okay. Easy meter, easy.
What the?
Easy. Oh, you show them, baby. So that's the new case for 2022. iPhone
Inside
14.
there's a charger for this.
So this one, I just got
Built in
this.
one.
So this one is the Presidio Perfect Clear. It has micro band. Okay. And also, it will guard your phone, okay? If you dropped your phone at least 13 feet, it will protect
You're
the
gonna
phone.
do that.
I'm not gonna throw my phone like others, but I'm gonna throw the box.
I thought that was the phone.
See? Okay, let's do this.
Wait, which one first? This one.
Okay, we're going to open first the iPhone
This one. Daddy's.
14.
Mine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Brady's phone. Okay, Brady, open, anak.
Wait, I am.
Don't throw
That's
your
you.
phone. Don't drop it.
That's you.
Alright, Brady's gonna open. Okay, let's show them, baby. Let's show them. Hold on. Let's show them. Baby. Open it. Open. How can I do
Okay, I don't
this?
want it to get.
Okay, let's do this. Like that. Can you see? Okay. Okay. Show them.
Wait, no, the other one.
Okay, show them.
This one? You done
It's
this?
so scary. I'm so scared to open it. Oh, like this, baby. You don't want to cut it just like that? Okay. So complicated, eh? So this is the iPhone 14.
Ooh, that one's nice.
What is this? Pro? No.
No, this is the plus.
Plus. No, it's not plus.
Ooh, that one's nice.
No, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, iPhone 14 Pro. Pro. See? What color?
Gold or something?
What color is this?
It's gold, Daddy said.
That's gold?
Yeah, it just doesn't.
Look, my besties. Okay, made that one and
Now, the best.
this sticker.
They haven't removed that yet.
Yeah.
Put it back, put it back.
And like that. See that one?
Chill.
Kind of don't wanna.
Ooh.
Ooh.
That one's nice.
Okay. We're going to turn it on. Okay. That's another video.
This one.
So this one is the Pro Max.
Can I do it?
Careful,
I
huh?
won't break
That's my phone. Oh. Careful, my baby boy blue. Alright. So this is the Jesus Christ. So that one. Whoa.
Chill, man.
Chill. Oh, we have the same color.
Yeah.
Gold. Okay. So that's the...
The only thing they did to make it new was make the camera bumps bigger. That's what they did.
Okay.
Look. See, it's bigger than, like
I
that's...
think they're just the same or no? Are they the same?
No.
The 14 and Pro?
Mm-mm.
No?
They have different features.
Oh, it has two lenses. Camera, right?
Mine only has 2.
Yeah. Yours has 2 and the other one has 3 and
Yeah.
this one 2, 3 and 2. Ooh,
Okay, good?
good. So, do you know the feature of this one, Brady? The 14?
Yeah, they all have crash detection.
Oh, all of these 3?
And
then,
satellite detection. And other
So,
stuff too, like the man.
what's gonna happen if like
If you're in a
you
crash?
drop it? Or yeah.
Oh, nothing happens.
What if you're in a crash? The three
The
phones.
sensors are gonna go off, and then it sends an iOS.
With these 3 phones?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And there's like if you ever got lost when you're hiking,
Yeah.
then you use the satellite detection thing, and then helicopters come and cars.
These 3?
Yeah, they
So-
all of them have it.
With how about the pictures?
The pictures?
Yeah,
They all have
The
new.
camera.
Oh, something got on it.
that's okay. The camera, Brady.
They all have like movie mode, so you can make
Movie?
movies.
Same?
Yeah, they all have it.
How about the clarity? Is it clear? Very
Mommy,
clear.
don't do that.
I think that one has.
Okay, I think we're good.
Yeah.
Good now, good now.
So
Why is this one like?
that's blue,
Why is
right?
no? That's gray, but
Gray? Looks like blue.
why is this like steel? This one isn't.
Is it heavy?
This one? They all are.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, my besties. We're just gonna turn it on. All right.
Do I turn
Okay,
this one?
let's flip all of these ones, baby. Just wait. We'll do it at the same time. Oh. Okay, put yours there so we can show them. There you go. All right, now again, this is the 14. This one
Plus.
Pro. It's a Pro and Pro Max. Okay, let's do it, Brady. Dun, dun,
Wait,
dun.
ready?
Ready?
Go.
1, 2, 3. Dun, 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 dun.
Whoa.
Whoa! Alrighty.
That's not how you turn it on.
Okay. Turn it on. Like that? Oh, okay. Scary.
How do you turn it on?
Let me see.
Do you have
let
to
me see.
charge it? Do you have to charge it? Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
Next one. Okay.
Yeah, it's expensive, man. Chill.
I know.
just
Let's separate it so we don't
Yeah,
hurt
you dropped
the
this
other.
one.
Okay. Daddy will get mad. Uh-oh. It says hello.
I would.
Open the other one. Turn it on, baby.
These are nice.
Turn it on.
Mine doesn't have dynamic island.
What do they call that?
I don't have that.
That one?
No, I don't have it.
Oh. What's the name again of this one?
Dynamic island. I don't have it.
What it's for?
Just stuff. I don't know. I'll show you.
Like notification maybe?
Yeah, where you can store them. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's
Well,
the
I tried. Oh yeah.
That's for that. And Brady's, that's the iPhone 14. So what's the difference between the iPhone 14 and the 13?
Well, there's not a lot of difference.
You think just the
It's
camera,
just the
maybe?
camera quality and the
Quality
storage.
of camera? Oh, I see.
English.
English. Okay, let's do this. English.
United States. Wait, what did I do this?
English. Okay, let's just do that later.
Oh.
Because that one, I think,
Okay,
if you want to pair your old one or
I think
transfer
we're
the
good
data.
now.
Yeah.
Good now?
I think we're
Bye,
good now
guys.
because we have to transfer the data and blah, blah, blah.
Say bye,
Okay, my besties, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe.
Bye-bye. Like the
Bye.
video.
Love you.
Love you. Psych. Bye-bye.
Hola, ora,
Like the
hola,
video.
hola.
Or else I'm gonna get you.
Okay.